Howdy, this is Anthony Ellis with South Coast Controls in Anaheim, California. I'm going to walk you through a UL508A listed control panel today, the products and brands used by the South Coast Controls team to fabricate this system. The enclosure is from Hoffman. It is equipped with Hoffman vents and a Hoffman fan to help dissipate heat throughout the control panel. We also have an Allen Bradley Panel View Plus HMI on the door that'll be used by the operator to interface with the equipment. Internally inside the control panel, you'll see three PLC racks, 1756 control logic PLCs. Two of the racks are 7-slot chassis racks, with the last rack being a 16-slot rack. One of the more unique things with this is a 1756 I/O cable that is used here. This helps expedite the labor process for our team from a wiring standpoint. You'll have flying lead wires that will land onto the PLC cards. It'll come down to terminal boards that the customer will use to bring in their lines. The system is also equipped with Rockwell Allen Bradley supplementary breakers, terminal blocks, fuse blocks, the 3 power supplies you'll see down low as well. We also have WireWave via Panduit and a Panduit Ethernet switch. Last but not least, there is a Moxa Ethernet switch on the right side of the system over here. One more unique thing actually is the control panel you'll see at the bottom here, wrapped in bubble wrap. This is an HMI panel that will be mounted remotely, that will be hooked up to communicate to the PLC system here, so you don't have to be right in front of the panel and operate off of the HMI. Last but not least, you can see the system is already created and ready to go. We are shipping out today. If South Coast Controls can be of any control panel support, engineering, design, fabrication, programming, or integration, please reach out to our website at southcoastcontrols.com.